This 2025 Airstream Globetrotter 27FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Central PA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 28 feet 2 inches in length and features a Dublin Slate with dark walnut interior, sleep 6, skylight, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, LP detector, TV, smoke detector, external shower, spare tire kit, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream Globetrotter 27FB is 6,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.